What is up everyone? My name is Classer AV and today we're going to open some epic chests and some magical chests and hopefully we'll get some tornado that was released today. I I don't have much of the legendaries, but let's hope we'll get some legendary in the magical chest and let's do some battles. First, let's open the epic chest and let's see what we'll get. We got some mirror. Yes, we finally got the tornado. It's already level 2 and golem. That's alright. Now let's get in some magical chests. Hopefully we'll get some legendaries. 564 gold. Minion horde. Royal giant. Cannon. Fire spirits. Let's get some epics. 3 musketeers. Wizards and hopefully... No, we're not getting any legendaries. That's it for now. For the chest openings. Now let's upgrade this card and let's get in some battles. Now let's use it in our deck. Now I'd like to change it with my what should I do now? Let's change the minions. Now this is the deck I've been using and I've been winning quite a few, except this one I lost recently, but as you can see we have been winning. Now let's get in one battle and let's see how we'll do with the new epic card tornado battle. We got Ivan de la Vega from Paris, PSC. Let's see how we'll do against this guy. Good luck, thumbs up. Got a bowler. As we are a spawner deck, this might be a problem. Let's get a musketeer in the back. Hopeful. He's got a lava hound. Let's use tornado here. That gives the mega minion. Jab there for a second. I don't think it's going too well. The bowler's doing all the work and look at those lava pups which already took my tower. That was a bad placement of the lumberjack, but let's see what we can do with this now. I don't think we actually have a chance to come back, but let's see. We have a guard, and we just have to keep the barbarian hot, and we just have to keep damn that lightning. We just have to keep our hearts first and then we can attack. That bowler is a pain. We have to get rid of that bowler as soon as possible. Let's see what we can do here. Let's start a push now. Hopefully our push won't get destroyed. I've been winning with this chest recently. Let's jab that inferno and that bowler at once. The lumberjack is doing all the work, just through killing that. Okay, so we might get a tower here. I don't think we can win this now. Let's mute this guy for now and let's just okay, that was a fair. Okay, so we lost here. And that's it for today. Nothing much. I've got a legendary chest, so I will open it in future videos. Thank you for watching. Classic AV. Please subscribe for more.